Welcome to Apify, your one-stop shop for web scraping and automation. Today we're going to show you how to extract contact details from the web. Information like this will come in handy for growing your customer network and generating marketing leads, which can help you build a database of potential clients. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a file like the one you can see here, with all available data for your chosen URLs such as emails, social media profiles, and phone numbers. To get started, go to apify.it/contact-scraper. You will be taken directly to the relevant scraper page. Now just click on Try for free to sign up for an Apify account. If you already have one, just log right in. Once you're on the contact details scraper page, let's create a new task so we can save this configuration and reuse it later. In the input options, all you need is the start URLs of the pages you want to scrape. In our example, we are going to replace the default setting with the Harvard University website. That's all you need, but if you want to further customize your run, feel free to explore the optional configuration input fields. Just click on the question marks for a brief explanation of each field's function. Once you're ready, just click Start. The run might take a few minutes. Once your run has finished, you can export the data you have collected in a variety of formats and even preview the data before downloading it. Alternatively, you can connect Apify with your favorite web apps to make the most of the obtained data and further automate your workflow. Find out more about all the available integrations at apify.com/integrations. You should be aware that your results might contain personal data. Personal data is protected by GDPR in the European Union and by other regulations around the world. You should not scrape personal data unless you have a legitimate reason to do so. You can read more about the legality of web scraping in the description. That's all for this tutorial. If you're interested in extracting even more data from the web, you can visit Apify Store to access hundreds of ready-to-use tools that can help you with your web scraping or automation projects. Also, if you are interested in joining a community of like-minded web scraping and automation enthusiasts, feel free to join our Discord channel. Link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials. So long, and thanks for all the likes.